Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to lock Exodus Bitcoin wallet app very easily for security purpose. So the first thing you need to do is open your app. Once you open your app, you're going to click on this. Once you click on it, click on security, then click on secure with passcode. We have to enable it. So once you have enabled it, click on backup. As you can see, backup manually. Now okay, so I'm going to go through this process. Click on done. Click on done. Now click on off. You can see I was unable to turn it off. Now for you to be able to do it, you have to secure your passcode. You have to create a passcode. So I'm going to create a passcode, and it has used to be three numbers, sorry, 6 numbers. So I'm going to use, make sure you use the number that we are very familiar with, so that you will not forget. So after that, you confirm it again, and this is it. I have enabled the passcode. Click on continue, and after that you can use secure with fingerprint. I'm going to use only passcode, and anytime you want to enter your Exodus wallet Bitcoin, you're going to ask for passcode, and I'm going to show you. So I'm going to go out now, and I'm going to log in again. So now let me open it again. You're going to see that it's going to ask for passcode. Okay, so I think the email only one thing to do. So I'm going to go to security and secure with fingerprint, and that is it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.